Alright, what do we got today? Ooh. Nice. Let's see, what else do they have? Baja Bouncer, never grabbed that one. Got the bus. And another Baja. Man, that's clean. Might have to take that one. Oh man, the NSX GT3, that'd be a good one to grab. What else do they have here? Eminem's car. Motocraft, that's supposed to be the liquid chase. Ooh, look at these. It's kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, but not my type of casting to collect. Let's go see what's down the main aisle. No new MTs. Doesn't look like they dropped anything as far as main lines go. Trying to catch that Hot Wheels Race Team 5-pack. Yeah, E case. So I don't need anything from E. So we'll take these. No new multi-pack exclusives. Porsche 356. Got the Hot Wheels 20. But nothing special in those. I already have the Corvette and Lamborghini exclusive. Already got the 356 and the Camaro exclusive. So yeah, they don't have anything. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Check this shelf out. I picked this up off of the Facebook Marketplace. A lady was like, hey, got a free shelf. Whoever can come pick it up, it is yours. And I am all about it, guys. It's actually a pretty good size in really good condition. Cannot go wrong with free. She was just trying to make some room for some new furniture, but check this out. I'm actually able to put all of my really cool collectible stuff in a separate section. Of course, you got the signed Carroll Shelby 2-pack with the Dodge Viper and Daytona. Of course, then coming on down, you got the Target exclusive Black Series. You got the Ford MK4s and MK2s in here, along with the Ferrari. Got a couple of my M2s, a couple little things thrown in there. This shelf is my M2 chase cars, and then finishing off with the dioramas and some loose Fast and Furious cars and this super clean 510. So this shelf actually came in handy. If you guys remember, I had a table here and these were all kind of just stacked on there, so I was actually able to make some more room, throw that in the corner. Got the 118s up top, and then of course I have everything here, moved all the extra ones up on top, and now the Mustang Hunter plate is hanging over here. So I know you guys are really wanting to get your eyes on the track, but I'm gonna keep this out of frame because I definitely want you to be surprised when it's done. There's still a little bit of work, guys, but it's definitely coming along. Here are some things I picked up. You saw me score some goods, but I also scored off camera too. So I made a post about this one a couple days ago. It's the new Demolition Derbies Demo Destruction 5-pack. Super cool. I only picked it up for the Chevy Impala. Definitely love the Enforcer deco on here. That's how the recolor should have been. I do have the first variation in black, and then the second one was the fire department, but I think this one's my favorite one. It just looks really cool and raw. You have the crushed car in a nice metallic purple, so they're starting to throw those in the 5-pack. Kind of interesting. And this one right here, guys, the 69 Coronet. Look at that. Absolutely love the patina. You got the faded Tampo work. Really cool. Hot Wheels salvage. Of course, you got the El Segundo California and the mixed match wheels. You got a tow truck right here in a nice pearlescent green. It's a plastic body with the black base. And then finishing off with this car, what is it called? The Enforcer. There you go. So you got the side guns, really cool mesh details for that window. So really cool cars, but the main ones I really wanted were those two, so definitely scored this one. And these right here, guys. Now, I missed a drop by probably an hour or so. My buddy Alan picked up 2 sets and a chase for each set. So he ended up leaving with 2 sets and 2 chases as well. But good thing is I got the Porsche 911 GT3. That was really the main one I want to get. Of course, I want the Mercedes-Benz in red, and the chase is black. But man, even the 94 AMG, beautiful series. I love all of these cars, but I'm not gonna pick up the Sprinter. There was a couple of those and I left it. So as I walked up, there was a guy grabbing a full set, and I was like, oh man, of course he leaves the Audi S4, which I do have the previous release out of the Deutschland in blue, which is right here. So you got the blue release. I definitely like the yellow one a lot better. You do have the nice wheel setup, of course, but can't go wrong with that one either. And the Porsche 911 is an awesome baby blue. Loving this one. So hopefully I can go and catch the rest of these. If I can't find the chase, it is what it is. I just really want the set. I will continue looking for those. And then of course today, guys, another Boulevard series picked up from Walmart. Check this out, the Volkswagen drag bus, probably the coolest deco to come out in a while. You have the Let's Get Salty on the back. Of course, it's full metal opening body, and I absolutely love the red and white deco on this thing. It just looks beautiful. Of course, red's my favorite color. I do have a couple of these. I have the Moon Eyes right here, got the Captain America, and I also have the exclusive drag bus with the flames. I don't remember which this is exclusive to. And then of course the Thunderbirds drag bus. So I am a huge fan of these. For the longest time I wasn't picking them up, and then ID actually sent this beautiful premium right here. That's the 96 or 98 first edition. Gosh, such a beautiful one. So that's really the one that made me fall in love with that casting, just seeing it in person. So stoked to grab this one. Also got my hands on the Baja Bouncer. Now the last one I was able to pick up while I was in Arizona was this Baja Bouncer right here. So it is a new deco, of course, being the Hot Wheels Flame in the white enamel. Definitely do like this one a lot. There's actually quite a few of these left on the pegs. I don't know why people don't like them. I think they're super cool looking and just unique, you know? So definitely wanted to grab this one. The last one that I got my hands on was the Laurel. Look at this beauty. Now it has the interesting paint scheme. You got the bluish silver metallic with the black tampo on the side, and then you have the negative stripes coming through with the metallic flakes. So it looks like it was all metallic blue. They threw the black deco on there, and then they made it look like it has 2 metallic stripes running down the fender. But it's an awesome looking casting. Very simple, very clean. Loving the new wheels on this. Got the small little deep dish 5 spokes in chrome. And there we go. So I do have a couple of these. I got a mail-in exclusive. But that is what we were able to get our hands on, guys. And of course, the whole purpose of this video was we have another mail call. This is from Mike's Mods and Customs, so a huge shout out to you. I definitely appreciate you sending this. I cannot wait to open this up, guys, because I already know what's in here, and I've been dying to get my hands on it, and my man wanted to send it my way. So again, Mike, thanks so much for sending this. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, here we go. Jason, sorry this took way too long to get sent off to you. No worries. I'm never pressuring or in a rush for anybody to send me anything. I've included a few extras. Hopefully you don't already have them. If you do, if you choose, go ahead and pass them along. Thank you for all you do for us and this awesome country. God bless. Mike from Mike's Mods and Customs. Thank you so much. And of course, I appreciate you always. And here we go, guys. We got some Mike's Mods and Custom stickers right here. Nice. So you already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this up on the board. Of course, we put this back on here just for support because this was not gonna hold without this bracing. So let's see, where are we gonna put this one? All right, here we go. Where is this one going to go? We might just put it, this is nobody's sticker. I just put that one on there. So we're just gonna have to put this one right over it. There we go. Let's go ahead and trim this off, make it nice and clean. There we go. Boom. All right, so it looks like he threw 2 of these in there. Awesome. Let's see, what do we got? He sent some extras. First one is, there we go, the 69 GT 500 convertible. Look at that. Now I do have this one. Of course, this is one of my earlier catches because this is a 2011 release, and I started collecting my Mustangs in 2009, 2010. So I definitely did grab a lot of these from these earlier releases. But there we go. Look at that. Nicely done tail lights. The red metallic with the gold stripe running down the side. And of course, you just have the casting details. But there we go. We got the red. And then it looked like he sent another one. Yes, he did. Another 69 in black. There we go. I do have this one as well. But like I always say, guys, when I first started collecting my Mustangs, I only would grab one of each. So these, I do have a short card of this one. My 69s are right here. So there we go. See, we got them right here. You got the blue, red, and black. And here we go. No variations, no wheel differences. Same card work. And of course, I do have the short card 69 sitting up top. So it is always good to have more, guys, even in my loose ones. Let's see, I believe I have, there we go. We got the Flying Customs red convertible. So you know what that means. These are going to be opened and will be raced on the track. So nice. Gotta get the Mustangs up on the track. Here we go, guys. We got the SVO. There we go, the 85 SVO out of Johnny Lightning. I do have this one. Of course, I found those 2 together. You got this one, which is a super dark metallic blue, and then the white one. So here we go, second one in the collection. But this is a beautiful Johnny Lightning. I do want to open this up though. You guys know I love having these out for display now. Those just really look good out of the blisters. So yeah, I might open this one up. And here we go, guys. This is the one I've been waiting for and dying to get in the collection. Look at this beauty. Oh man, the C8R Premium with the hauler. Oh, that is gorgeous. So there we go. I officially have the full set. The Toyota GR I do have. It's still in the package. The Volkswagen IDR is now loose, and the hauler is right here with the 32 Ford sitting on there with the wheels missing. So awesome, man. I am stoked to have this. God, that looks so good. Look at that. Let's compare this to the mainline, which, let's see, the Corvettes are on this side. So here we go. We got the mainline with the number 4, and the Premium has the number 3 on the side. So in case you were thinking it was the exact same, it is slightly different. You do have the VP right there on the back with Michelin, where this one has the Hot Wheels flame and nothing else. So that is a really cool touch. You do have the red painted mirrors and some added deco, whereas the mainline doesn't have those really cool touches. So actually a pretty good difference between this one and the mainline. So, oh man, that looks so good. So here we go, guys. Awesome package from Mike. I definitely appreciate you sending this. I am so glad to have this in the collection. Of course, having these extra ones to race, I am beyond excited because, yeah, you guys know with my Mustangs, being that I only had singles of each one when I found them, yeah, when I get extras, I'm excited because then I can just open these, play with them, but then still have the carded ones. There are a few that I've opened that I don't have duplicates of, and a lot of them have been sent. Like these 65 2+2s, I do have them carded, so it doesn't bother me that I'm playing with them loose. So there we go. And then of course, getting my hands on new Boulevard series. It's not new, but it's new for me. And the collection, the Nissan Laurel, the Baja Bouncer, and of course the Volkswagen Drag Bus. These right here, guys, the Deutschland Designs heavy hitter, the Porsche 911 GT3 in this beautiful blue. God, I'm just so glad to get this. So like I was saying earlier, guys, like when I walked up, a guy was grabbing another set, and he was like, hey, do you have a Porsche? I said, nope, don't got it. And he is like, here, you can have this one. I already have a full set. And he had another one, so he would have had 3, but my man actually gave it to me. So I definitely appreciate him. I didn't catch his name, didn't really talk to him too much. He just gave me the Porsche and went on his way. And then of course, finishing up with this 5-pack, just so we can get some more cars on the track and some variety. So there we go, guys. Awesome new 5-pack for 2022. Premiums for the Car Culture series, as well as the Boulevards, and this awesome package from Mike. So again, Mike, thanks so much for sending this. These are staying in the collection. Even though this is a second one, I am going to open it because I do want to display this thing. It is just gorgeous. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts on the Deutschland Designs, the 5-pack, or anything you saw in this video. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts and opinions, and just stay tuned for the track, guys. I want to show you so bad, but it is an unfinished product. The room is coming along and looking so good. I'm beyond stoked on how this is coming out. It is definitely grown, and I don't even think I've shown you guys this. Put up the full wall of Chevys and premiums. So everything all the way up until this point is Chevys, Camaros, all my Corvettes, pretty much all my Chevys. Every single Chevy that I have carded, it is all up on this wall, including the most recent Bel Air is with all the other ones. You got the Naked exclusive, which I found in the wild. There we go, guys. Looking so good. So good. Until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.